Today let's see the chapter data handling. In that we are going to see pie chart. What's a pie chart? It's a pictorial graph in the shape of a circle with segments representing related proportions. A pie chart is otherwise called a circle graph. Okay. What's a circle graph? Have you seen a circle graph? Yeah, it looks like a round cake with slices made from the center. One more example we can see as pizza. Now let's define pie chart. They are very easy to read and so you will find them in many places. They very quickly give you a comparative analysis. With a few minor calculations, they are also very easy to draw. Now let's see one sum in pie chart. In that tabular column is given with activity and number of hours. Activity, what are the activities? School, commuting, homework, playing, sleeping. And number of hours is 6, 2, 4, 4 and 8. The number of hours spent by a student on various activities on a school working day are given in the table. Represent the data using a pie chart. So, first what we will do, we will add up all the hours given. So, 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 8, that equal to 24. So, that means the entire circle represent 24 hours. Now, let's find the central angle. To find the central angle, what we have to do, we can compare out of 6 hours into 360 degree by 24 gives you 90 degree. Okay. Now, next one is for angle corresponding to commuting, we have to find. For that, we'll compare commuting for 2 hours. Out of 24 hours, 2 hours is commuting. So, into 360 degree, we will get it is 2 into 360 by 24 will gives you 30 degree. Now, the angle corresponding to homework is what? Out of 24 hours, 4 hours is homework. So, we have to find the angle, central angle. So, we will get 4 into 360 degree by 24 will give you 60 degree. Okay. Why we are using 360 degree here? Because angle in the central circle is 360 degree. Okay, for angle corresponding to the playing is out of 24 hours, it is 4 hours. Again, if when you find, we'll get the same answer, 4 into 360 by 24, that is equal to 60 degree. Now, the angle corresponding to sleeping, that is out of 24 hours, 8 hours is sleeping. So, central angle will be 8 into 360 by 24 will give you 120 degree. Now, we have got the central angles. Okay. How can you check whether your answer is correct? Just add up all the angles. What do you get? 90 degree plus 30 degree plus 60 degree plus 60 degree plus 120 degree, that is equal to 360 degree. If all the angles add up to 360 degree, then you are absolutely right in your calculations and planning. Now let's draw a pie chart. First, draw a circle with convenient radius. Okay. Now mark the center and draw a line. We can use this radius as the base. Now the angle corresponding to school is 90 degree. So take a protractor and keep it there and mark an angle 90 degree. Once you mark the angle 90 degree, so what you will do, you will write 90 degree and you have to write there school. Okay. Now let's go for the next angle 30 degree. Angle corresponding to commuting is 30 degree. Now keep the protractor in the last line you drew. There you mark 30 degree and you write 30 degree and you can write there commuting. Okay. Now the next thing is homework. Okay, the angle corresponding to homework is 60 degree. So keep a protractor in the last line you have drawn. Okay, so keep the protractor there and then you mark the angle 60 degree. Then you write 60 degree and you write homework. The next one is playing. So the angle corresponding to playing is again 60 degree. So what you will do, you take the protractor, keep the protractor in the last line you drew. There you keep the protractor and mark angle 60 degree. And you write 60 degree and you write there playing. Okay. Now the last and final thing is sleeping. The angle is 120 degree. So you keep the protractor in the last line you drew. There you will get 120 degree automatically. So you write 120 degree and you write sleeping over there. Okay, if you keep the protractor over there and it automatically forms 120 degree, then here the pie chart is complete. So this is the way you draw the pie chart. Hope you all. Students, today we are going to learn how to draw a pie chart from the chapter data handling. Okay, see the question. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite 3 seasons. Okay, season name is given here. Season is summer, rainy, winter, and number of votes is 90, 120, 150. With this data is given, we have to draw the pie chart. For drawing the pie chart, we have to find the central angle. So we make one more tabular column and you write seasons here, summer, rainy and winter, and you write here number of votes 90, 120, 150. Now you add up all this, the total is 360. Now we want to find the central angle. You know that the angle in the center of the circle is 360 degree. Okay, now we are going to use that angle here. So we have to find the central angle of each seasons. Now first take 90 by 360 into 360 degree. This 360 is nothing but the total. So this 90 by the total into 360 degree will give you 90 degree. Next 120 by 360 into 360 degree will give you 120 degree. Next 150 by 360 into 360 degree will give you 150 degree. Now we have got the angles. Here from the data we found the angles. Now we are going to draw the pie chart. First you draw a circle for some convenient radius. Mark the center point and you draw a line here. Okay. Now keep the protractor here and mark first degree is 90 degree. So you mark 90 degree here. So you mark 90 degree here and write 90 degree, that falls in summer season. Now after finishing this, again the last line drawn is here. Okay, again you keep the protractor here and mark angle 120 degree. Okay, it will come here. So write the angle 120 degree and write it as rainy. Okay, now after that the last line drawn is this line. Okay, again you keep the protractor here. Naturally it will be 150 degree. It will be, you can see here the 150 falls here. So that is 150 degree. So that is winter season. This is the way you have to draw the pie chart. Thank you, students.